I'm here to explain the first exercise of Unix. It's regarding the basic Unix commands. So the first question is to list the contents of user's home directory, including the hidden files. So for that, the command is ls/a. So to display all the hidden files also. Next question is to list the content of var directory. So for that, the command is ls. So to display the contents of var directory. Third question is to create two directories named dir1 and dir2. So for that, the command is mkdir. So we have created two directories. Then the question is to create a hidden directory with your name. So for that, the command is mkdir space dot any name which you want to give. So we have created a hidden directory. Fifth question is to change your directory dir1. So we give the command as cd dir1. It will go into dir1 directory. Next question is to copy the file etc password file to current directory sample.txt as the file name. So for that, the command is cp and the file name, that is etc password, and the sample.txt which file you want to create. Next question is to change to your home directory. So for that, the command is cd home. It will change to home directory, and to check it is given to use pwd command. So we use pwd command and we check that it is in the home directory. Next is to create a file test1.txt using metadata. So we create a file test1.txt. It's test1.txt. So I've already created a file with all these details. I've copied and pasted. So the questions is to display the student names who are having research interest as grade computing. So for that, the command is grep grade computing so to display the students who are having grade computing as a research interest. Next question is to list all the student names and register number in the class. So for that, the command is so to display all the student names and register number in the class. Next question is to display the contents of the file test1.txt without any blank lines. So for that, the command is scd s/g dash in test1.txt. So to display all the contents of file test1.txt. Next question is to move the file sample.txt from dir1 directory to dir2 directory. So for that, the command is mv dir1 slash sample dot txt to dir2. So it will move the sample.txt from dir1 to dir2 and change the directory into dir2 directory. So we give cd dir2. So we are in dir2 directory. Now check whether the file sample.txt is present in that. So we give as ls and we show that sample.txt is present in dir2 directory. Next question is to rename the file sample.txt to new.txt. and check whether it is there. So for that the command is mv sample dot text to new dot text. So it will rename it, and to check it we give as ls. So now the name is new.text instead of sample.text. The next question is to display the calendar December 2020. So we give the command as cal 12, that is December, and the year 2020. So we display the calendar of December 2020. Next, the command is to remove the directory dir1. So for that the command is rm -r dir1. I'll first come out of dir2 directory and then I'll remove it. rm -r dir1. So now it has removed the directory 1. And display the last three lines of the file test1.txt. For that the command is tail so it will display the last three lines of the file test1.txt. Next question is to display all the commands that we have executed so far and save the list into a file named today's history.txt. So we first write history today's txt, and to display it we give as cat so to display all the commands that we have executed so far. The next question is to find how many files are present under your home directory. So for that the command is wc/home. So to display how many files are present, and that's how the first experiment ends. Thank you.